Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show more than 50 emails on Gmail in 2026. It's super simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can see more emails in your inbox without any hassle. All right, first, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail to open your settings menu. Then click on See All Settings to access the full settings page. Once you're in Settings, stay on the General tab and scroll down a bit until you find the maximum page size option. This setting controls how many emails Gmail shows per page. Click the drop-down and select the highest number available, usually 50 or 100, depending on your account. This way, Gmail will show more emails on each page, which is super helpful if you have a busy inbox. After selecting your preferred number, scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload, and now you'll see more than 50 emails in your inbox, making it easier to manage your messages. If you want, you can combine this with Gmail search filters or labels to organize your emails better. It really makes navigating a packed inbox way smoother, And that's it. Now you know how to show more than 50 emails on Gmail in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future Gmail tips.